Oh, good morning, my self-reliant peeps. Today is about where the wind takes us. Not sure. There's a little bits I have to do, like pack up the soil to mail it to the Penn State Extension, maybe split some wood. Yesterday I went to a man near Pittsburgh, well no, Beaver County I guess, who sells wood. So I got some chunks of black walnut, slabs actually, and I'm going to start working on those, I think. It's a beautiful day out, it's cool, it's sunny, my kind of weather. So let's carry on. So I have my instructions. I'm a small garden, so I just fill out page 4. Oh, there's page 4. Okay, that's good. And I've smashed my dirt down. And I have approximately 1 cup. I have my measuring cup here, I have my dirt. Okay, I read the instructions. I'm going to make sure I have a cup. I've dried it overnight. Okay. All I have to do is fill this out and then mail it, or put it in this, mail it, and wait for the results. Well, I'm back at the farm, just getting some cow manure for the garden. Well, that was a little gross when that fell. Fell right into some cow patty. said I wasn't going to put it on till I got the results from the Penn State extension. However, the rains are going to come and I don't want a bucket of manure with all this water in it. It'll, you know, gross. I almost think it's a fertilizer problem in the raised beds. This is the size of my cabbage. That's like a giant Brussels sprout. I want to make some soup, so I'm going to pull just a couple. But they're not going to get much bigger than this. Look at that. Pitiful. Guess I should have had gloves on. Self-reliant peeps, that's it for today. I'm going in to wash up, change my clothes, wash up these little Brussels sprouts. Actually, they're cabbages. Usually it takes a half a head of cabbage to make a pot of soup. I'm going to have to use all of these, which I have 3, 4, 5, 6 cabbages. So we'll see. Between the manure and when I get what kind of fertilizer I need to put on my garden for next year, I should have a lovely garden next year with a lot of produce. But for now, you know, I got tomatoes. I got a little bit. The beans are doing well, but we had to do 2 plantings, so I'm still waiting. I got a lot of flowers. But no beans at this point. So let's hope we don't get a frost before I at least get one batch of beans for supper. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate every one of my self-reliant peeps and everyone that tunes in to see what's happening down in the country. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.